how to use auto clicker on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Now scroll down. Over here you will find different options. Go to the option of accessibility, open it. Now go to this option switch control, open it. Tap on the option switches. Tap on add new switch. Select the option screen. Tap on full screen. From here you have to select the option of select item. After you come to this page, go back. Go to this option recipes. Tap on create new recipe. Now here you can give a name. Here I'm gonna give it as auto. Now tap on this option of assign a switch. Tap on full screen. From here you have to select the option of custom gesture. With that you will land to this kind of page. Now from here you can tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. After you create it, tap on the option of save. Now go back. Tap on this option of launch recipe. Set it to auto. Go back. After you land to this page, scroll down. Go to this option of accessibility shortcut. Scroll down and select the option of switch control. Click in for this option. After you do that, you are good to go. You can close this and open any of the app in which you want to use the auto clicker. Right now, I'm going to use in Notes app. To enable auto clicker in your device, you have to triple click on the power button. Now you can tap on your screen and you can see that auto clicker has started. Request to disable it, triple click on the power button again. So this is how you can easily use auto clicker on your iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.